Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is especially for e-learning heroes. Recently, I am working on the storyline, and I got the pop-up while I tried to switch the modern player to classic player. But don't worry, I have a solution of this. On that pop-up, we can see the two things we need to fix. Let's start with the first. In the feedback pop-up, some pop-ups have dialog layer that we need to change into the layer. This we need to apply where applicable. It is applicable for the correct, incorrect, try again, and thank you feedback pop-up. Now let's check as it works or not. Yes, it does, and our first one is done. Now for second, we need to navigate to the publish. Then click on the LMS/LRS, and then click on quality link, and we need to update video quality from adaptive to static. After that, click OK and click cancel. Now go to the player section and try to switch from modern to classic. And it's done! Now you can use classic player without error. Thank you for watching video. For more videos, do like, share, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates.